तुम्हें स्कूल प्रोफेसर नहीं
जी ना शाहबाग जामिया मदाना का सबुल छात्र
शाहबाग जामिया छात्र আর আমি ওয়াই বস্তিটা তুমি আওসাই না তুমি আওসাই দেখাই আচ্ছা তুমি দেখলাম না কত কত ওহো তাইতে দুজনে কিছু গফ করতাম কথাবার্তা করতাম টকিং করতাম কোন ভাষা টকিং ইংরেজি ভাষা তাইতে টকিং করতাম ও টকিং ওকে
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाह वालेकुम अस्सलाम how are you alhamdulillah well by the grace of almighty Allah and you I am also fine. Do you know today is the 51st Islamic conference in our madrasa? Yes, I would like to want greetings to all guests and the audience. What kind of madrasa is it? It is a physically torture-free, mentally stress-free Qawmi madrasa for students. Wow, how many teachers are there in your madrasa? There are 70 teachers in our madrasa. Great. How many students are there in your madrasa? There are almost 2,000 students in our madrasa. What is the main source of income of this madrasa? Charity of religious brothers and sisters. How are the board exams results? Our students always have their names in the merit list. What facilities provide for girl students? All bus, separate building, separate gate and female teachers. Do you want to talk about anything for our nearest and dearest audience? Yes, this madrasa is running on you and your prayers as well as donations. We believe that prayers and donations will do charity in the future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
MashaAllah, marhaba, nare takbir, nare takbir. আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমরা শাহবাগ মাদ্রাসার